to get thicker hair with olive oil. First of all, heat the oil to body temperature. Then, massage the warm oil into the scalp and hair, and leave in hair for about 30 to 45 minutes. Later, rinse out the olive oil with mild shampoo. Some people add honey to the olive oil and others suggest leaving the olive oil on overnight using a shower cap to cover the hair. Can olive oil stimulate hair growth? Olive oil may work to promote healthy hair growth, but the science isn't there yet to confirm that it will work for sure. Olive oil does contain proteins, antioxidants, and antimicrobial agents that might contribute to healthy hair. Over time, treating your hair with olive oil may work to strengthen your hair follicle, increasing the lifespan of each hair and making it seem like your hair is growing more quickly. Ultimately, olive oil is a low-cost alternative treatment for your hair, and there's no harm in giving it a try. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.